Welcome student in fifth session from your textbook chapter number 12 electricity. Today we will continue this chapter. In last session we studied about the combination of resistance in two-way, in series combination and in parallel combination. So today we are going to discuss about the electric power. Okay. So when an electric current flow through a conductor, electrical energy is used up and we say that current is doing work. Okay. When एन इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लो थ्रू अ कंडक्टर, जब कंडक्टर से इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लो होता है देन इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी इज यूज्ड अप, फिर इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी यूज होती है एंड वी से दैट द करंट इज डूइंग वर्क. सो वी नो दैट द रेट ऑफ डूइंग वर्क इज कॉल्ड पावर. ओके, सो इलेक्ट्रिक पावर इज द इलेक्ट्रिकल वर्क डन पर यूनिट टाइम. दैट इज पावर इज इक्वल टू वर्क डन अपॉन टाइम taken. Power is denoted by P and work done is denoted by W and time taken is denoted by T, small t. Okay, this is the equation number 1. So we have calculate the power by dividing work done by time taken. So now the unit of work is joule and that of time is second. Work की unit क्या है? Joule. Okay, and that time in second. So unit of power is called the watt. क्या कहते हैं उसको? Watt. So thus the SI unit of electric power is what denoted by letter W. So the power of 1 watt is a rate of working of 1 joule per second. So that is 1 watt is equal to 1 joule upon 1 second. Actually watt is a small unit. Okay, therefore a bigger unit of electric power is called the kilowatt, is used for commercial purposes. So it is obvious that 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt. The rate at which electrical work is done or the rate at which electrical energy is consumed is called electric power. Formula for calculating electric power, we know that power is equal to that work done upon time taken. Okay, so we have already studied that the work done W by current I when it flow for time t under a potential difference V is given by W is equal to V multiplied by I multiplied by T joules. Okay, so putting this value, okay, this value of that W, putting this value of W in equation number 1, so we get P is equal to, in place of W we write this value of W. Okay, so V multiplied by I multiplied by T upon T. Okay, joules per second. T cut by this T. Okay, this T cut by this T and P is equal to V multiplied by I. So joules per second. So P is equal to V multiplied by I और joules per second को आप unit को क्या बोल सकते हो? Watt. Okay. So power is equal to that potential difference multiplied by current, where V is potential difference in volts. Okay, I current in ampere. Clear this one? So thus the power in watt is found by multiplying the potential difference in volt by the current in ampere. So we can say that in watts as electrical power is equal to potential difference multiplied by current. Clear this one? Now next topic is heating effect of current. Okay, means current का heating effect क्या होता है? When an electric current is passed through a high resistance wire like nichrome wire, the resistance wire becomes very hot. Okay, means जो nichrome wire है वो कैसा हो जाएगा? बहुत hot हो जाता है. Okay, and produces heat. और फिर वो क्या produce करता है? Heat. So this is called the heating effect of current. Okay, जैसे आपने देखा है, जैसे जो भी इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंस है जब अपन यूज करते हैं तो एट द टाइम वो कैसे हो जाते हैं? हीटिंग प्रोड्यूस करने लग जाते, मतलब वो पहले क्या हो जाएंगे? पहले गर्म हो जाते और फिर वो हीट प्रोड्यूस करने लग जाते. ओके, सो द हीटिंग इफेक्ट ऑफ करंट इज ऑब्टेन्ड बाय द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी इनटू हीट एनर्जी. द हीटिंग इफेक्ट ऑफ करंट इज ऑब्टेन्ड बाय द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. अब इसमें क्या हो रहा है? इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी किसमें कन्वर्ट हो रही है? हीटिंग एनर्जी में. ओके, सो जस्ट एंड मैकेनिकल एनर्जी यूज टू ओवरकम फ्रिक्शन इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू हीट. In the same way, electrical energy is converted into heat energy when an electric current flow through a resistance wire. Thus, the rate of resistance in electrical circuit is similar to the role of that friction in mechanical. So, derive a formula for calculating the heat produced when an electric current flow through a resistance wire. Okay. So since a conductor say a resistance wire offers resistance to flow the current, so work must be done. आपको पता है जैसे ही current flow होता है, it means that work is done, okay, by the current continuously to keep itself flowing, okay. So we will calculate the work done by current I when it flow through a resistance R for time t. Now when electric charge Q, okay, that coulomb move against a potential difference V, the amount of work done is given by W is equal to Q multiplied by V. This is equation number 1. From the definition of current, we know that current is equal to Q upon T, means I is equal to Q upon T. So that Q is equal to I multiplied by T. Okay, this is equation number 2. So and Ohm's law we have that V upon I is equal to R. So अब इसमें भी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन जैसे तो V is equal to I multiply by R. So potential difference is equal to I multiply by R. This is equation number 3. Okay. Putting value Q and V in equation number 1. Okay. Now putting value Q and V in equation number 1. Okay. So this is equation number 1. W is equal to Q multiply by V. So W is equal to Q की वैल्यू क्या है यहाँ पे I multiply by T. So we have to write here I multiply by T. And what is the value of V? I multiply by R. So we have to write here I multiply by R. Okay. So W is equal to I multiply by I square multiply by R. And this is what? T. Okay. So that assuming that all the electrical work done or all the electrical energy consumed is converted into heat energy. So we can write that heat produced in place of work done in the above equation. So thus the heat produced is equal to means जो भी वर्क डन हो रहा है मतलब वर्क अगर डन हो तो वो क्या हो रहा है इसमें कन्वर्ट हो रही है इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी किस में कन्वर्ट हो रही है हीट एनर्जी में. सो इन प्लेस ऑफ दैट वर्क डन वी हैव टू राइट दैट हीट प्रोड्यूस एच हीट प्रोड्यूस्ड एच इज इक्वल टू आई स्क्वायर मीन सिर्फ डब्ल्यू की प्लेस पे आपको हीट राइट करना है और आई स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई बाय आर मल्टीप्लाई बाय टी एंड दैट इज व्हाट जूल्स क्योंकि वर्क की यूनिट आपको पता है जूल्स होती है. Okay, so that this formula gives us the heat produced in joules when a current of I ampere flow in a wire of resistance R ohms for time t second. So this is known as the Joule's law of heating. तो इसे कौन सा law कहते हैं? This is known as Joule's law of heating. Okay, according to Joule's law of heating, given by the formula H is equal to I square multiplied by R multiplied by T, it is clear that heat produced in wire is directly proportional to square of current. Heat is directly proportional to resistance of wire. Okay, R, and heat is directly proportional to time for which current is passed. So now application of the heating effect of current. The important application of heating effect of electric current are: first, the heating effect of current is utilized in the working of electrical heating appliances such as electric iron, electric kettle, electric toaster, electric oven, room heater, water heater, etc. Okay. The second, the heating effect of electric current is utilized in electrical bulb for producing light. Okay, means electric lamp वगैरह ये सब जो heating effect है वो convert होता है light energy में. In electric fuse for protecting household wiring and electrical appliances. Okay. So a fuse is short length. Okay, a fuse रहता है. A fuse is a short length of a thin tin plate. ये कैसा एक tin का plate होता है, copper wire having low melting point. So the thin fuse wire has a higher resistance than the rest of electrical wiring in houses. So when the current in a household electric circuit rises too much due to some reason, then the fuse wire gets heated too much. फिर जो अगर means टू मच अगर करंट सर्किट में अगर फ्लो हो रहा है किसी भी रीजन की वजह से तो फ्यूज वायर जो है वो क्या हो जाता है टू मच हीट प्रोड्यूस करने लगी एंड मेल्ट्स. फिर वो हीटेड होके टू मच हीटेड फ्यूज वायर हो जाता है. देन इट मेल्ट्स एंड ब्रेक द सर्किट और फिर वो पूरे सर्किट को ब्रेक कर देता है ड्यू टू विच द करंट इज स्टॉप फ्लोइंग. फिर वो करंट फ्लोइंग होना मीन्स पूरे हाउस होल्ड जो सर्किट उसमें स्टॉप हो जाता है. तो दिस प्रिवेंट द फायर इन हाउसिंग. ओके, तो इसी वजह से this prevent the fire in house, okay, due to overheating of wiring, and also prevent damages to various electrical appliances in house due to excessive current flowing through them. So thus an electrical fuse is a very important application of the heating effect of current. Okay.